Image formation by convex mirror. Now we are taking a convex mirror here. MPN is our convex mirror, P is the pole, F is the principal focus, and C is the center of curvature here. So first of all, we know that the intersection of at least two reflected rays give the position of the image. We know it. So first of all, when the object is at infinitive, so object is at infinite distance, what will be the image? So object is at infinite. Here we are assuming that AB is our object at infinite distance. So first of all, a ray, this one is our principal axis, we know, P, C, F, and this whole line is our principal axis. Okay, so object is at infinite, we are assuming AB is our object. So a ray parallel to the principal axis like this one is our incident ray parallel to the principal axis. Okay, after reflection, this is the reflected ray. So after reflection, it appear to diverge from the principal focus like this. So this is our principal focus, we know that. So a ray parallel to the principal axis after reflection appear to diverge from the principal focus. Okay, we are taking another ray parallel to the principal axis here. Okay, and this is incident ray, we are showing it from red, and this is reflected ray, and after reflection it also appeared to diverge from the principal focus like this. Okay, so we get a point size image at focus. So image at the focus F, and it is behind the mirror. Okay, highly diminished point size image, and it is virtual and erect because it is behind the mirror, and it is virtual and erect also. So this is the image when the object is at infinite distance. And what will be the image when object is at finite distance? Let me see. So when the object is between infinite and the pole P of the mirror, or you can say the object is at a finite distance from the mirror, this is our second case. So here AB is our object, and it is a finite distance from the mirror. We can say it is AB, and AB is our object. Okay, so first of all, a ray parallel to the principal axis, we know. After reflection, it is our reflected ray, this is incident ray, and this is reflected ray. So the after reflection, it appears to diverge from the principal focus. Okay, so it appears to diverge from the principal focus. Okay, now the another ray directed in the direction of the center of curvature like this. Okay, it is directed in the direction of center of curvature like this, and after reflection it reflected back along the same path. Okay, and it appears to diverge from the center of curvature like this, and here we can say the point, the both rays reflected, you can say the two rays, two reflected rays appears to diverge from this point. Okay, and this point is our R, and RS is our image of object AB. Okay, so what we find that image between P and F. Okay, when the object is between infinite and the pole, anywhere in front of convex mirror, we get image between pole and principal focus behind the mirror. So RS is our image here of object AB, and it is diminished diminished, virtual and erect. It is virtual, AB, see here AB and it is RS, and we are looking that we are observing that this is virtual and erect image. So when the object is between infinite and the pole of the mirror, image between P and F behind the mirror, virtual and erect, and also small in size as well. Thanks.